Have you ever wondered what the difference between an app registration and a service principal is in Azure Active Directory? In Azure AD, you might have seen the user section before, but have you ever paid attention to the enterprise applications or the app registration section before? An app registration is a global representation of your app, unique across all AAD tenants. It's a way you can define the permissions of an application and any identity settings related to it. An enterprise application in Azure AD is actually the service principal. The service principal is the equivalent of a concrete representation of the app registration in your tenant. It uses the app registration as a base for its permissions and settings, but it can be controlled independently. This means you can have multiple service principals, all relating to one app registration across multiple tenants. If you've ever seen this setting before when creating an app registration, this is where you can choose if you want to let other tenants create a service principal to use your app registration. Most of the ways you can create an app registration automatically create an associated service principal in the same tenant.